This is our WY-100V. This workpiece had lot of process. We achieved to shorten the cycle time 30%. What's the main concept? Faster than the fastest. Hello machinists! I'm Shogo Nakamura. How are you? I'm so good. So today, I will announce you very important news. This is what you expect us. What's that?
Is it new factory?
Will soon, but not.
New automation?
We have, but not today.
Is it a new hobby?
I wanna show you next time.
Is it new machine?
That's right. Today, I will show you our new machine. Let's go in front of machine. This is our WY-100V. It's beautiful, isn't it? Stylish and simple outline. And so lean design. And easy to use. If you stand up in front of machine, you can clearly work pieces at both sides, left and right. And we put NT Smart X, our special original operation panel. This operation panel have more than 100 operator supportive software inside. What type of this machine? This machine is 2 turret and 2 spindle machine. We called multi-turret machine. What's the main concept of this machine? It's very clear. Faster than the fastest. We will break the record and we will set a new record. Speed of machine. What the most important thing on the multi-turret machine? It's speed. If you get faster cycle time by faster machine, you can get more and more work pieces at the same time, at same effort. And it reduces manufacturing costs dramatically and reduce concerning about delivery schedule. It make your time, it make your room, and you can concentrate on what you want to do. It cut your burden. It cut the burden of manufacturing. So it's very important. This machine's name, WY-100V. Please remember, this machine is flagship machine, our multi-turret machine. So, everyone think, what is V? Normally, machine tool builder put a number end of name of machine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 years later, we can't count on it. So we don't want to put number, we want to put meaningful alphabet. The meaning of V is velocity. It also means speed. Easy to understand. This is the most important part of today. This workpiece machined by WY-100V. Turning, milling, live tooling, and inner threading here. This workpiece had lot of process. We achieved to shorten the cycle time 30% by WY-100V compared to old machine. Even if we shorten the cycle time 5%, 10%, customer said it's amazing, surprised. So now we shorten the cycle time 30%. It's incredible. How it's speedy, how shorten the cycle time. The secret is...
Shogo, please wait. Could you please stop explaining details?
Oh, thank you for stopping. Our member stopped me. So sometimes I'm unstoppable train. So I want to give you small hint. Just 3 words. Software change machine. If you want to know more, please come and visit our booth at Emo Show. I will show you WY-100V actual machining and the secret of faster than the fastest. In front of you, in front of machine. So, let's enjoy with all together. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe and press high rating. See you, machinist. Bye.